Cooking up the present. Perfect. Describing recent culinary endeavors. When it comes to talking about recent culinary experiences, the present perfect tense is a valuable tool for English learners. This tense is used to describe actions or events that have taken place at an unspecified time in the past, but carry relevance to the present moment. For example, if you have recently tried a new recipe, you could say, "Wars, I have cooked a delicious pasta dish." This implies that the action of cooking the pasta dish is connected to the present moment. Perhaps you are still enjoying the leftovers or planning to make it again. Another instance where the present perfect tense is useful is when discussing restaurants you have visited. For instance, "Miss, I have eaten at a fantastic sushi restaurant. This sentence conveys that you have had the experience of dining at the restaurant without specifying when it occurred. Furthermore, the present perfect tense can be used to talk about food you have recently discovered or tried for the first time. For example, Afar, I have tasted durian fruit for the first time. This sentence highlights the fact that you have had the experience of trying durian fruit, which may be worth sharing with others. In addition, the present perfect tense can be utilized to describe cooking techniques you have recently mastered or dishes you have successfully prepared. For instance, I have perfected my chocolate chip cookie recipe. This statement communicates that you have achieved a milestone in your culinary skills and can now make delicious cookies. Overall, the present perfect tense is a great way to share your recent culinary experiences with others. By using this tense effectively, you can convey the relevance of your past actions or events to the present moment. So next time you want to talk about your latest food adventures, remember to cook up the present perfect.